Hi all. Welcome to the various tutorials channel again. Today, we will try to create some simple but elegant ponytail bun hairstyles that are suitable for casual events or parties. No need to worry if you are a beginner, because this tutorial is very easy. You can definitely make it yourself at home. Here's a tip: to make the bun look more voluminous, you can pull the hair on the sides a little. Or, if you have thin hair, try using hair extensions to add volume to your hair. Don't forget to tag your friends or relatives who like styling hair. Subscribe to this channel to get other interesting hair tutorials. Don't forget to click like, comment and share this video so that we are enthusiastic about making more videos.